Today we're going to show you how to use Action Movie FX in your practice. Action Movie FX is an app that lets you add pre-made special effects to video clips you create. It's easy to use and available to anyone with a smartphone. Sharing these creative videos on your social media accounts is a great way to show your patients how much fun you have at your practice. Let's take a look at the app. First, find Action Movie FX in the App Store and download it. The basic app is free, but you will probably see a few ads as you use it, and there are additional effects packages available for purchase. When you first open the app, it will show you an exciting image of the latest big action movie. Currently, that's Star Wars Episode 8. On this screen, you can get info about the app and toggle the background music. Tap Go to advance to the main menu. Now tap All so that you can scroll through every available effect. The free ones are at the left end of the queue, and you can sort them by category if you're looking for a specific type. When you select an effect, you will be prompted to download it before you use it. After you approve the download, the app will pull up a director's notes screen offering a few tips for filming. Tap Start to begin filming your epic action scene. This will pull up camera mode, and the app gives you more instructions at each step. Aim where you want the effect to hit, then hit the record button. Film for as long as you want your video to last, then hit the button again to stop. Now it's time to edit the effects. You can change the size of the effect and when it begins in the footage. When you're happy with it, press OK. The app will take a few seconds to apply the effect, and now you can see your video. If it didn't turn out how you want, you can trash it, record a new one, or go back to the editing screen. But if you like it, you can download or share. If it's a shorter video, you can share it as a GIF, but if it's longer than a few seconds, it would probably work better as a movie. Once the app packages the video as a GIF or movie, you'll be able to choose the social media app you want to share it in. Completed videos will also be saved to your gallery within the app. We can't wait to see the action scenes you film in your practice with this app. If you have any questions or need help using Action Movie FX, just contact your social media consultant and they'll provide all the help you need. And as always, thanks for choosing My Social Practice.